Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing another sound test of the Keygeek Y2s. In my previous video, I recorded it all on my iPhone, and that doesn't have the best audio. But since then, I bought this new Razer Siren V3 Mini, which I think captures the sound a lot better. You can hear a bit of the creaminess that comes with the Y2s. I also want to note that since my last video, I started noticing spring scratchiness in the Y2s. So what I did was took some 205 and relubed them. And I think it came out amazing. It came out a little bit deeper with a little bit of a creamier sound to it. And with that, let's get on with the sound test. All right. With that, let me know what you guys think of the Keygeek Y2s. Do you like the sound? Do you like more clacky your um, switches? Just let me know. And please feel free to make any comments that I can take to make my videos better. I'm open to criticism and any kind of feedback that you guys like. So let me know. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.